Hi everyone! In this SmartBi video, let us explain what makes your phone ring. If a phone call is a guarantee of success for you, you need to know what makes your phone ring. Today, online sales are becoming more and more important. It's normal to want to automate the buying process of your customers to be able to serve as many of them as possible with the least amount of effort. On the other hand, for many companies, human interactions, such as a phone call, is most of the time essential to the success of a sale. But why when I ask people what makes their phone ring, they answer, "I don't know, Paul." Did you know that it's possible to know which advertisement makes your phone ring? May it be online, in a magazine, on the road billboard, on the radio, or even on TV. You can even find out if you're getting a call because of an event you attended. What? There's a magic tool like that? Yes, it exists. And my favorite one is called CallRail. It's a reliable, affordable, and super fast tool to implement. You don't even need to have a fancy phone system to use it. But how does it work? I'm not telling you that. Oh, no. Okay, I'll explain. In fact, what CallRail does is to provide you, within a few minutes, new phone numbers that you can use on your various advertisements. When someone calls this number, CallRail notes where the call is coming from, assigns it to the correct campaign, and then redirects the call to your regular phone number. You can then log on to SmartBi and view your CallRail dashboard, which will tell you about the different calls you received during a given period of time and which advertisement campaign made your phone ring. It's magic! As a CallRail partner, SmartBi offers you the opportunity to try call tracking free for 14 days. To get started, you just have to click on the link I've included in the description of this video. And don't forget, subscribe to our SmartBi YouTube channel. See you soon!